Well, here we are at Devil's Dyke. Ooh, itchy nose. Lifty. Hopefully smooth. See what adventures we can get from this today. As the day progresses, it's supposed to get more thermic. We shall see. We do have retrieve sorted. The problem with being so busy is having eyes on the back of your head. This feels good. Red ribbon seems to be doing better than some non-red ribbons. Oh, there we go. Drag it out a bit. Stay beyond this one. It's too far over the side, I think. Yeah. I need to take it over to the west a little bit more. That's it. And then hook it. He's going too far out to the east again. See, off to that side it's working, and then he just now in his wake, because he doesn't want to turn in it. Let's ignore everyone else and do my thing. Wow, the day looks promising. This isn't the thermal to get away on, but top of the stack already. Bumpy, strong, busy. Not a combo I want to be part of at the moment, so I'm going to try and get down. Struggling to stay forward of the slope. Still want to go for a slope landing if I can, but I need to lose the height. So we're on some bar to go forward, trying to stay in the sink, but there's not much around until you don't want it. Quite a few people landing down the bottom. Yeah, this has got strong. It's difficult to get the airspace to do any spirals. I say spirals, I'm not brilliant at spiraling. It's a busy, busy day. Alright, is this the height to go in there? Or is this the height I'm just going to go and connect with the lift and not be able to land? Let's have a look. You can always push out again. No, it's very strong up here, like backwards strong. Alright, we're going to push back out front. Bottom landing, there's no way I'm landing up top. Way too strong for that. Everyone looks like they're gale hanging. Well, it's good to know I'm not alone in these decisions, and that my thinking is along the same path as other people that might be more experienced than myself. I've got space yet to put in a decent turn. Downwind is very quick. Alright, I want to go for this gap where hopefully there's less turbulence. Don't want any off that building. So that gap at the end of my feet there, it's going to be ahead of me when I do this. That's not where I want to find any lift of any sort. Well, that was interesting. It was nice and boaty, slowly built, and then everyone done a bottom landing. There might be some people that manage the top one, As you see, I actually attempted it, found myself to be going backwards. I didn't fancy, with the lift and turbulence around it, trying to land while on speed bar. Not worth it. Just go for a nice walk. So I've got to find my way through here. Apparently steep route, not so steep route. So this is what the sky looks like when it gets too windy for paragliders. Other than that one crazy bastard over there, we tend to get a lot of the fixed wing stuff, or rigid wing. So we've got a Atos, we've got a couple of hang gliders over there.